Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change your email addresses for Xbox account. So if you want to change your email addresses for your Xbox account, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like. For now I'm using a Chrome browser. So after opening your Chrome browser, now you have to search for xbox.com. So after searching for xbox.com, it will take you to the Xbox login page. So now what you have to do is you have to tap on the profile icon, which is on the top right of your screen. After tapping on that profile icon, now you can sign in to your account. And after logging in your account, now what you have to do is you just have to tap on the profile icon, which is on the top right, and then tap on My Microsoft account. And after tapping on My Microsoft account, in the top of your screen you can find your info. Just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on your info, you just have to scroll a bit down, and inside account info you can find edit account info. You just have to tap on that option. After tapping on that option, now inside account alias you can find add email option. You just have to tap on that option, and now you can create a new email address and add it as an alias, or you can also add an existing email address as a Microsoft account alias. So you can choose anything you like. So I would like to create a new email address, so just tap on create a new email address and add it as an alias, and now you have to enter your email address inside this blank. So after entering your email address, just tap on add alias, and after doing that, here you can see you have added two accounts to your Xbox account. So now if you want to change your email address to another email address, what you can do is you can just remove the old email address in your account and then keep the new email address which you have created as the email address for your Xbox account. So this is how to change your email address for Xbox account. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.